Leading car maker Hyundai Motor announced its highest first-quarter revenue, backed by strong hybrid sales among others, despite a drop in sales volume. Leading chipmaker SKhainicks, in the meantime, has logged an earnings surprise. Shin Se-byuck has this report.
South Korea's largest car maker Hyundai Motor reported record-breaking revenue in the first quarter of 2024. According to its regulatory filing on Thursday, the company posted its record-high quarterly revenue of approximately 40 trillion won, or $29.5 billion. That's up 7.6% from a year earlier. Hyundai Motor explained the company maintained stable profitability thanks to continued sales growth driven by expanding demand in key overseas markets. The company's first-quarter operating profit stood at $2.58 billion, marking a slight on-year decline of 2.3%, influenced by a decrease in sales volume. Globally, the company sold just over 1 million vehicles during the January to March period, down 1.5% on-year. The car maker attributed the slight decline in operating profit to temporary shutdowns of the Asan plant production line in preparation for new vehicles being launched. Overall, the company's net profit was down 1.3% on-year to $2.4 billion. Meanwhile, South Korean chipmaker SKhainicks shifted into the black in the first quarter of this year, thanks to growing global demand for premium memory chip products. The world's second-largest memory chip maker posted an operating profit of 2.8 trillion won, or a little over $2 billion for the period from January to March. It is the second-highest quarterly operating profit for the company, following a peak reported in the first quarter of 2018. It also represents a significant turnaround from the operating loss of $2.47 billion reported during the same period last year. SKhainicks credits its success to robust sales of its premium products for artificial intelligence, including high-bandwidth memory, as well as a profitable shift in its previously lagging NAND sector. The earnings exceeded market expectations, coming in nearly 40% higher than the market forecast of $1.4 billion estimated by Yonhap Infomax. As for net profit, it came to nearly $1.38 billion, a turnaround from a $1.87 billion loss recorded a year earlier. Sales soared 144.3% on-year to $9 billion, marking a record first-quarter high. Shin Se-byuck, Arirang News.